let's talk about pickles. What is a pickle? No, really, what is a pickle? Now, about as far as we know, the modern pickle originated in 2030 BC. The word pickle is derived from the Dutch word pekkel, or the Northern German word pokel. Now you're probably asking, Anton, how are pickles made? Actually, you're probably not asking that, but I'm still gonna tell you, okay? Pickles are made through the process called pickling. This consists of dunking various fresh vegetables into a saltwater substance, which causes the vegetables to lack the ferment. Now, while this process is happening, lactic microbial bacteria is developing due to the naturally occurring sugars. This is called lactic acid. Now, this lactic acid prevents from the pickles going bad. Alright, Johnny, time to go to bed. Now, how can you talk about pickles if you don't mention cucumbers? I went to the superstore. I asked for cucumbers. They gave me cucumbers. What do you not get? The cucumber, part of the Cucurbitaceae family, is believed to originate about 3,000 years ago from India. Then, the cucumber was brought into China and later on into the West. In 1535, the first cucumbers were discovered in Canada, which is now known as Montreal. Now, cucumbers are usually planted in fields, and in off-seasons are made in greenhouses. Now, unlike a lot of mass-produced things, cucumbers have no environmental impact. Now, every average Joe knows about dill pickles, but do you know about cosmic pickles? Before people even knew that galaxies existed, Sir Isaac Newton was already governing their structure. Now, according to Newton's law of gravity, it states that the more massive the object, the more it pulls towards itself. Now this, with Newton's laws of motion, explains why objects move in space and on Earth. Now what Newton still couldn't discover is why planets and the sun orbit in the same direction. I think they're ready. So, Isaac concluded that it would be smarter to study objects in its current state rather than in its history. A little overcooked. Now, if we go back to current day, astronomers use the Hubble telescope to figure out how early galaxies used to look like. For a while, we thought they looked like disc-shaped. But no. Scientists go to school, scientists have big brains, scientists make a lot of money, and they decided to call it a cosmic pickle. For that reason, I'm throwing these pickles out. I'm throwing this microphone out, and I'm leaving. I still have to continue the presentation. I'm gonna get a bad mark if I don't finish it. Now isn't that shocking? What if I told you that the pickle can be the new light bulb? If you pass electricity through both ends of a pickle, it will start to glow. Now this happens because the pickles have sodium and chloride ions, which makes the pickle incredibly conductive. But how does it glow? Well, when the electricity gets passed through the pickle, this excites the electron, thus causing it to create energy, which makes the pickles glow. Now, the chemical process is similar to that of street lamps.